Okay, I will perform now the demonstration on how to select good selection of seeds. So this is the seed, this is the container, the apron, the hand gloves, and the hairnet. So first, I will wear the PPE. The apron. Basta lalo mo na. Ano madugay ito? Basta ito. And also the hand gloves. Isa ito. And then we will start for the demonstration. First, choose matured seeds and then collect and cleanse the seeds. So after cleanse the seeds, please dry the seeds and choose the good quality seeds. So after that, selecting the quality seeds. So the physical appearance and physical condition and the purity of the seeds. So this is the good seeds, and this is the with the disease seeds. So after that, please dispose the disease seeds and store properly the good quality seeds, and then it is ready for germination process. Okay, I'm done with the seed selection process of seeds. Thank you.